Hey everybody, today Lisa and I, we're on the Carnival Horizon. We're on deck 7, and as you can see, this is a passenger cabin deck, except for the IMAX theater, but we'll show you that as well. So we're going to show you where your cabins are in relationship to stairs and elevators, as well as crew doors. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos before, I cannot turn the camera for you to see every door and door number. If I did, you'd get seasick. I'm going to call out the numbers and use my fingers to point. That is a huge favor. When you see and or hear your door called, leave a comment below, and when you're sailing on the amazing Carnival Horizon. So let's start. 7415, 411, 409, 407, 51, 403, 399, 97, 95, 93, 91, 89, 87, crew door 85, 83, 81, crew door, 79, 77, crew door, 75, 73, 71, 69, 67, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, 53, 51, 49, 47, 45. Laundrette. So if you want to do your laundry, they have public laundry facilities here on the Carnival Horizon. Soaps and stuff too, so you can get your laundry done before you go home. Going with Clean Laundry. 7343, 7341. And this is access to the midship elevators and stairs, as you can see right there. Okay, that's a per door. Let's make sure we're not missing anything. Left off at 7341. 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 327, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17, 15, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 301, 299, 297, crew door 295, 293, 291, 289, 287, 285, 283, 81, 79, 77, crew door 75, crew door 73, 72, 71. Here are the forward elevators and stairs and your IMAX theater. As you can see, the IMAX theater is closed, and well, these are actual fire doors, and so I can't open them to show you, or the alarms will go off and security's going to come throw us in the Carnival jail. So we're going to have to try to show that to you in a different video. Hooked off at 7271, 7269, 7267, crew door, secondary access to those stairs. 63 and 65, 61, 59, good morning, 57, 53 and 55, 51, 49, crew door, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 35 and 37, 33, 31, 229, 227, 225, 23, crew door, 21, 19, 17, 15, 11, 9. I believe this is access to an outdoor space, which it is, and it is very, very windy, so I'm not going to go out there, but we'll show those to you in another video. You can literally hear the wind howling through there. 7207, 7205, 203, 201, crew door, crew door, crew door, 7202, 204, 206, 208. And the same thing on the other side is on this side here. Got access to the outside area. This side doesn't seem to be as windy, but the door won't even open. It's windy. I couldn't even get the door open. We'll show those to you on a port day. It's been 210, 212, 14, crew door, 16, 18, crew door, 20, 22, so 222, 224, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 40, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, access to the forward elevators and stairs.
And a crew door.
And a crew door. 264, 266, main entrance to the elevators and stairs. 268, crew door. 70, crew door. 72, 74, 76, crew door. 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 7300, 302, 304, 306, 308, 310, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 336, 338. Access to the midship elevators and stairs are right there. 340, crew door, 342, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, crew door, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, crew door, 68, 70, crew door, 72, 374, 376, crew door, 378, crew door, 7380, crew door, 82, 84, 86, 80, 80, 90, 92, 94, 98, 96 is there, 400, 402, crew door, 404, 406. We're in the aft elevators and stairs now. 408, crew door, 410, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 446, entering the Havana cabins here in the back of deck 7, 7448. These are stairs to get up and down to the Havana Club Lounge and or the other cabins. This is 7450, 7452, 54, 56, 58, crew door, 467, crew door, 74, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, crew door. That's it for the Havanas. Back to the regular cabins. This is 74, 53, 55, 51, 49, 47, 45, 43, 41, 39, 37, 35, 33, 31, 29, 27, 425, 23, 21, 19, crew door, 7417, 7415, and that is the very first cabin we saw on this deck. So we've gone 360 degrees here on deck 7. Don't forget, let us know that you saw and heard your cabin and when you're sailing on the beautiful Carnival Horizon. Leave a comment below. Until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe. Ciao.